To create a project in Alert Stratus, I'm going to go down to my Alert Stratus tab. I'll select my projects entity, where here I'm going to see a list of all of my active and inactive projects. And I'll go to my top left area here to create a new project. So I'll start by giving our project a name. The project number field here is going to be grayed out because the system is going to create that for us. If we like to associate this project with a parent project, we can enter one here, and then this project will be created as a sub-project against its parent. I can enter our project type, select our project manager, can enter a purchase order number for this project. We have our revenue recognition method, so are we recognizing our revenue for this project as we bill it, or are we recognizing our revenue on a % complete basis? Then we have our tracking level, so this is asking us, do we want to track this project as a whole, or are we tracking our tasks separately? If we choose to track our project tasks separately, we will be able to still track at the overall project level as well. Select the currency we'll be dealing with in this project. Select our CRM price level. I can add a sales rep for this project as well. And then we have our coverage code, so we know if we have certain hours will be regular time, certain hours will be overtime, and so forth for this project. Or we can select a 24/7 type of coverage code as well if that isn't a concern for us. We'll add a description for this project. If we're creating our project as a block of either hours or currency, we'll enter all those block details here. We have all of our standard bill to and ship to information, so here's where we're going to select our account that we're doing this project for. And it'll bring over all of my bill to information here for me. I can select a bill to contact. And then below we have our ship to information, so it's bringing over my account. In this case, it's brought over my bill to details, so I'm going to change that to my ship to. Now here's our totals area, where all of our totals will be rolling up for my project. So I can start by entering, if I wish, an estimated start and end date for this project. And then you'll notice here that my estimated revenue, cost, and hours fields are going to be grayed out because we're going to be adding our estimates at the task tracking level. Here will be a list of all of our tasks and our task tracking items on this project. And then lastly, we have our administration area where I can select an owner for this project. And if I've converted one of my CRM quotes to a project, it'll show me my quote here. And if that quote is tied to an opportunity, it'll also bring over our opportunity here for us so that we can drill down to that opportunity or our quote right from the project. Or if we'd like to add a division for this project, I can enter that here. And then next, we're going to save this project. So now that we've saved the project, I can go to my Add tab here, where I can attach any files or documents. I can add any notes. I can go back to my project here, where I'll then be able to create any new tasks on this project. And then I can click here to add any billing triggers for this project, so the system's going to know how and when we're doing our billing for this energy system project.